Hello everyone, welcome to our channel today. And today we are going to explore the wonderful world of letters, the alphabets. Do you know how many alphabets there are? There are 26 of them. Let's go! Oh no, what should we do? Eh? What is this? Oh, can you help me to pick it up, Ducky? Okay. Maybe we should open this. Okay, let's open this. Oh, this is the letter A. And A is for apple. Oh, and what comes after A? It is the letter B. Where shall we look? Shall we take a look at here? Oh, wow, look at this. What is this? Let's open this. Oh, wow. Maybe the letter B is inside. Let's look for the letter B. Oh, look at this. Oh, there you go. B for bear. And can we find it here? Oh, I think I see something. I think I see something. The letter B. B is for ball. Look at all these colorful balls. And also B is for bee. Okay. And then up next we have the letter C. C is for candy. Oh, and look at this. Beep, 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 beep. It's a rescue car. And look at that. The letter C is on top of the car. C is for car. Oh, look at this car. And C is for candy as well. And next we have the letter D. D is for duck, or as in ducky. Hi, ducky. Do you have the letter D with you? Yeah, I have it. It's with me. Yay. Oh, thank you, ducky. Thank you, ducky. Oh, this is the letter D. D as for duck. Oh, and then up next we have the letter E. E as for earth. Oh, Mr. Avocado. Yeah? Do you have the letter E with you? Or can you help me to find it? Okay, let me see. Oh, look at this. I think this is the letter E, is it? Let's check it out. Oh, wow. There's something inside. Oh, yes, that's right. It is the letter E. E as for earth. And also there's another E here. It's a blue E. It's a very bright blue E. E as for elephant. Wow. Now we have the letter F. Let's check it out. Oh, wow, there's so many things inside. Let's open it up. Wow. Look, we have all these fish. F as in fish. And then we have, wow, we have so many fish in here. Look at that. And we have F as in frog. Reg up, reg up. Reg up, reg up, reg up, reg up. Oh, and then what do we have? Oh, another F as for frog. And then we also have another fish here. Fish, F as for fish. And, oh, look at that. I found the letter F. Let's put it in. Wow. And then after F, we have G. G as for girl. Oh, what is this? Let's open it up and check it out. Oh, look at that. It's another G. G as for giraffe. Oh, it's a very cute little giraffe here. And we have this as well. Oh, let's put it in. G as for girl. And look at this. What is this? Oh, it's a glasses. It's a sunglasses. Oh, look. Oh, Parrot, you want to put this on? Wow, you look so cute. Yay! And then after that, we have the letter H. H as for, oh wow, look at this. What is that? Oh, it is a H as for helicopter. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, and then we have H. Oh, let's open this. Oh, this is very, very tight. Oh, look. We have another small helicopter here. Oh, look at that. This is so cute. Oh. And then we have H as for house and H as for horse. Oh, and last but not least, we have the letter H right here. Okay, let's put it here. Wow. And now we have the letter I. I wonder where the letter I is. Parrot, I think there's something behind you. Can you help me to check? I think that's the letter I. Okay, let's bring it out. Okay. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. Ooh, the letter I. Oh, I as for ice cream. Or I as for ice. Or I as for igloo. Oh, there we are. The letter I. We now have the letter J. J as for juice. Peekaboo. Oh, hi. I am a small pack of juice. Oh, hello, little juice. How are you? Hi, and I have something at my back. Oh, oh, you have the letter J. Oh, thank you, little juice. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Okay, oh, thank you. J as for juice. What kind of juice do you like? And then now we have the letter K. K as for kite. Oh, look at this. Let's check it out. Oh, and also K as for kangaroo. And also we have key. Oh, wow. Oh, and also we have a little kitten. And kiwi. Do you like to eat kiwi? It's actually very, very delicious. Oh, and let's put the letter K here. Wow. And then after that, we have the letter L. Oh, I wonder what is in the letter L. Oh, look at this. These are, oh, do you like to play this? This is Lego. And inside the Legos, look at this. Wow. We have the letter L as in lion. And, oh, I think I found it. The letter L, let's put it here. Next, we have the letter M. M as for moon, or M as for milk. Do you like to drink milk? I love it so much. And I drink it every day, you know. It's really good for your bones. Oh, and we also have M as for monkey. Can you act the sound out? How does a monkey sound like? Ah, ah, ooh, ah, 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 ooh, ah, ah. And then we have the letter M. M as for moon. Wow. And then up next, we have the letter N. N as for nuts. Oh, look at this. Whoa, look at, oh, wow. What is inside? We have the N as for number blocks. Wow, there are so many number blocks here. Do you like to play the number blocks? I love it so much. And then we have N as for, oh, this one's yummy. N as for noodles. And N as for nightingale. Nightingale is a kind of a bird that sings really nice songs. And then we have N, the letter N. Well, and then after that, we have the letter O. O as for What is oh, sorry. Oh, we have O as for orange. Wow, look at that. O as for orange. And then we have O right here. Okay, let's put it in here first. And then we have O as for, oh, O as for owl. Hello, owl. Hello, owl. Hello, Mr. Owl. How do you sound like? And now it is the letter P. P as for piano, or P as for, do you know what this is? This is a potato. P as for potato. Oh, what is this? Looks like a barn. Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, look at that. Can you see this? We have a little piggy over here. P as for piggy as well. And look at this. This is P as for present. Wow. Oh, and then look what we found here. The letter P. Wow. And now we have the letter Q. Look at this. Q. Oh, what is this? This is a question mark. And Q as for quail. Oh, and then I found a letter. I found a letter. The letter Q. Q as for queen. And then up next we have the letter R. R as for rain. Or R as for robot. Look at this. And it can transform into a car. Okay. And then we also have R as for rabbit. Do you like little rabbits? Easter is coming, so you might like a rabbit. And R as for rain. And then up next we have the letter S. S as for snakes. Or one of my favorite fruit is the strawberry. Wow. And also strawberry jam. And S as for sticks. And then we have the letter T. T as for tree. Or T as for turtle. Or T as for tomato. Let's cut the tomato open. Let's cut it in half. Oh. Whoa. T as for tomato. And then we have the letter U. U as in umbrella. Remember to bring an umbrella on a rainy day. And U as for Ultrasaurus. Oh, wow. It's a dinosaur. Oh, let's put this here first. U. And then we have U as for unicorn. Or U as for UFO. Next, we have the letter V. V as for violin. Wow, the V as for violin. Or V as for vest. Or V as for volcano. Or V as for vegetables. Vegetables are very, very healthy food. And last but not least, we have V as for vulture. Now we have the letter W. W for watermelon. Or W as for whale. And then we have water. W for water. W as for wallet. W as for wheels. And we have W as for watches. Watch, and then you put it on. And now we have X. X as in X-ray. X-ray. Or we have X-ray fish. Or we have xylophone. Next, we have the letter Y. Y as for yogurt. Oh, wow. Strawberry yogurt is my favorite. Y as for yogurt. Or Y as for the color yellow. Or Y as for yo-yo. Do you know how to play a yo-yo? And or Y as for a yak. And the last alphabets, we had the letter Z. Z as in zebra, or Z as in zip, zipper.